Hello sir. In this video we can see about access management, how to create the access and restrict for your users. Let's see. First go to the HRMS, then employees. In this place we can create both our employees and users details. Click this plus button to create your users and employees first name and last name. Then give the email address, then give the address detail. Suppose is this your employees, give the personal and address details, then submit. Don't give that access details. Suppose is this your users, give the access is yes. Then select the role, which role it is, sales manager, accounts manager or supervisor. So anything, select the role, then submit. Once you create your users details, then you want to change their roles or password, go to the settings, select the users under the access. In this place you can edit and change their roles. Which role you give that your users, select the role, then submit. Suppose you need to change your user's password, view that. In this place change password option is available. Click that, enter the new password, then submit. Suppose you need to create new role for your users, go to the access, then roles, click this plus button, select the role, give the name, then submit. Once you create the new role, the details here showed. So which role you need to give your users, you can create the role, then give them. Suppose you need to restrict some access for your users. For example, I can take purchase manager. Here permissions and reports are there. Permissions means what are the permissions they can access, like to edit or create or delete. Reports means what are the reports they can see. So you can access that. So click this permissions. Our purchase manager only can do to create the goods transfer inward. He should not to do the delete or edit. You remove this access, update and delete. You remove this access. Suppose our manager can create the supplier name. He should not to do the delete. You remove this delete access. Then he can't able to do this. Suppose he do only chick purchase, not to do the feed purchase, you remove this access. So same like this, we can access all the permissions your users. Then you go to the reports. So enable the reports, which reports our purchase manager wants to see. Enable the purchase of inwards, purchases and pending purchase orders. So you give the access. So once you set the access, that access will come to your users completely. So same like this, we can access your users permissions and reports. So this is the full process of access management. So finally in this video we seen about how to set the access for users based on their roles, how to create new users and how to change their passwords. So this all details we covered in this video. Thank you.